Okay, October. It's October 13, year 2023. Okay, I have here servo controller. Servo. I have 2 unit. This is a big. That's Yaskawa Servo pack. This is rated 100 ampere, and I have 2 unit like this one. So this is not yet open, but the other unit I have already opened it. There. And the most common problem with this kind of controller is the RGBT module. Okay, let me show you how it looks like. Okay, I have another 2 units, smaller servo controller. There. Okay, and this is the board. Then the problem usually is this RGBT module. Okay. There. This is used to control the 3-phase brushless motor. Okay, I'm sure this is defective because I have repaired a lot of unit of this kind of controller. This is unit 1 and unit 2, and there's a much bigger version, though rated 100 ampere, which I have not yet removed. There, you can see it inside. There. There. That's the one. Let me zoom it. Okay, yeah. Let me show you the IGBT. Okay, that's 7 Mbp-100 VFL. Okay, that's the IGBT. Okay, I have to order it before I remove it because it's too much work to remove it. Okay, we have 4 units here. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.